Welcome to this 15-minute guided meditation to calm your overactive mind. Start by finding a comfortable seated position. Sit upright with your spine tall and straight. Feel your sit bones balanced evenly on both sides. Roll your shoulders back slightly to open up your heart and let them drop away from your ears. Rest your palms facing up in your lap. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Begin to tune into your breath and your body. Notice a sense of balance within you right now. Adjust your body if needed to create this sense of balance. As you focus on this feeling of inner balance, become aware of your breath. Feel your belly expanding as you inhale and contracting as you exhale. Let your breath flow at a pace that feels good to you. Sometimes your inhales may be deep and other times shallow. Trust what feels natural for you as it ebbs and flows. Now, use your imagination to envision a gently flowing ocean on the horizon. Waves are continually in and out. Tune in the feeling of your breath, being like these waves, flowing in and out. Sometimes, a wave is large, just like a deep breath. Other times, a wave is small, just like a shallow breath. Each wave is unique. Ride the waves of your breath right now. On your next exhale, gently close your left hand. As you inhale, open it back up. After that breath, on your next exhale, gently close your right hand. As you inhale, open it up. Continue this pattern of alternating hands, closing on every exhale and opening on every inhale. See if you can move gently and slowly in rhythm with your breath. Don't control it. Move with whatever feels natural. Exhale as one hand closes. Inhale as that hand opens. Exhale as the other hand closes. Inhale as the other hand opens. Continue at a pace that feels good to you. Be mindful to be gentle with this movement, applying very light pressure as you close your hands. Tune into a natural rhythm and flow. Remember to follow your breath, not your hands. Your hands follow your breath, moving at the same pace. Your breath flows naturally. It's okay if you alternate between deep and shallow breaths. Sometimes that happens. Instead of controlling, just continue to allow. On your next exhale, close both hands gently at the same time. Inhale as both hands open. Exhale as both hands close at your own pace. Inhale as both hands open. See if you can move your hands exactly in rhythm with your breath, so they move in perfect timing, fully closed at the end of an exhale, fully open at the end of an inhale. Breath and hands flowing as naturally as the waves on the horizon. After your next exhale, keep your palms gently closed. Tune into the sensations in your hands. What do you notice? Warmth? Coolness? Tingling? Stay present and aware. Does this sensation spread through your body? Notice how, as you focused on your breath and the movement of your hands, it gave your mind the break it needed. Allow your palms to gently reopen. What physical sensations do you notice in these open palms? Let these open palms symbolize your open mind and your willingness. Affirm to yourself, I am open, willing, and ready for creative solutions. Feel a sense of surrender within you. Appreciate yourself for being here, for giving yourself this break. Return to this practice anytime you need to. Often, when we're overthinking, slowing our minds down like this clears the way for thoughts or ideas that are just what we need. Trust any good feeling you get. When you're ready, slowly begin to roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes, and whenever you feel ready, open your eyes and return to the world around you.